Hello guys, I hope you guys are all doing good. Welcome back to Boske's FX Forex group. We really appreciate you all who just subscribed to our YouTube channel and welcome to the family. If you are new here guys, just consider hitting the subscribe button and also turn on the notification post so that you get the notification bell when we upload our next video. So guys, here on our YouTube channel, we talk about smart money concept, and in today's video, we are going to be talking about market structure, the real foundation of market structure, as you all requested for this video. So guys, let's say the market is coming from what? From a drop phase. They'll create what we call drop, base, drop, base, drop, meaning the price will be creating new lower highs. As you can see here, the price will create lower low, lower high, new lower low, new lower high. So when the market is going down, they'll create what? New lower highs and new lower lows. And also if price is going up, they'll create what we call rally, base, rally, base, rally, meaning the price will be breaking the previous high, creating a new high, and also they will be creating a new higher lows as price goes way up. But guys, when the market is now returning, going up, let's say the market have created a new lower low here, they'll create again, let's say a new lower high, and comes back to the previous lower low, but they will not break that lower low, and then they'll go up, meaning now the price have created a new higher low here, and also this lower high was taken out, meaning the price have created a new high there. If price is now going up, they will give you a new high. So this was a engulf, a peak engulf, creating a new high, and then the price will come back to the order block zone area, but they will not break the previous higher low. They will create a new higher low, and then goes up again, breaking the previous higher the previous lower high here, creating a new higher high, and also breaking the previous high here, and then they'll come back and create a new higher low, and then they'll continue going up, breaking again those lower highs, creating a new higher high. Also they will have breaking the previous higher high, creating a new high there, and then they'll keep on doing the same thing while the price is going up. And also if price is now going down, they'll come back and break, let's say they'll create something like this higher low and goes up, but they will not break the previous high, and then goes down, breaking the previous higher low, and comes back to the previous lower high, taking the orders and breaking the previous higher low, and also breaking the previous lower low there, creating a new lower low, meaning the price meaning the price will break this higher low here. As you can see, I'll break that higher low there and creates a new lower low, and then they'll come back to the order block zone area at the previous lower high and take the orders and shift the market going down, and they'll keep on doing that until they return going up. But guys, here is the thing. retail traders are getting confused. Let's say we have these two different time frame. We have what we call H1 time frame and H1 time frame. And in H4 time frame, let's say the market will give you something like this: rally, base, rally. Meaning this is a market structure breaker. Here, as you can see there, it's a market structure breaker. Market have taken out the previous what? The previous high, creating a new high. And you expect price to come to the order block zone area. And then after price reaching the order block zone area, they'll just shift the market going up, breaking the previous what? The previous high, creating a new high there. And then this is your order block zone area here, guys. That's where the order block zone area is at. There, at that zone. And in H1 time frame, guys, in H1 time frame, we have something like this. I want you to see clearly. We have something like this. Sometimes the market will create rally, base, rally, base, rally, meaning the structure which you can see in H1 time frame is different in H4 time frame. And then the market will come back and breaks the previous what? The previous higher low here, and then goes up to the order block, and then goes down. After reaching the order block zone area, they'll shift the market going up. Meaning these are the two different patterns here, guys. These are the two different patterns. You have this higher what? Higher high here, which was taken out, and market continue giving you new higher highs and also creating higher lows. And then the market have returned, breaking the previous higher low, then shifted the market going up and goes down. So this will not be your order block, guys. This will not be your order block. Why? Because the market just came back to the first order block which was issued, which you can find in H4 time frame. That's where they just came at this zone to pick up the orders and shift the market going up. Not you trading this order block, guys. Also again, because we know most of the retail traders are trading this order block here, right there, and this order block here. When the market is going up, they think that the price is going down. So I think I have made myself clear. Do not trade this order block or this one. Why? Because the market just came back to the order block which was given in H4 time frame. That's where the previous higher low was issued, and you can see you'll find there your order block zone area, and then the price will come and pick up the orders and shift the market going up. So this order block right here is this one, not this one. It's this one, not what? This one. So guys, without wasting time, guys, let's go on. So guys, you can even apply this market structure on volatility pairs or currency pairs, as well with stock index pairs. So as you can see, guys, the first thing which we want to see is our previous higher low. And in this scenario, guys, we had a rally, base, rally, meaning here is where our previous higher low was at. And you can see the price, I didn't break this one, but you can see here the price have taken out this previous higher low, which you can find here. Here you can see, because actually we had an order block there. That's why the price just came to pick up the orders and shift the market going up. And you can see the previous high was this one. And this previous high was being taken out, and the price have now come and take out the previous the previous higher low. And now you can see, guys, while the price have taken out the previous higher low, the price have come back to the previous what lower high, which is this one. This is where our lower high is at, and that's where we look for our trades. But now let's go to H1 time frame and understand why did the price came back there. And as you can see, guys, while the price was going down, they even took out this higher low, which was this higher low, which is H1 time frame. As you can see, that higher low was being taken out, and the price went back to the previous order block zone area at the previous what at the previous lower high. And then the price, while the price went there, they just came back down, breaking the previous lower low, creating another new lower low, also breaking the previous higher low, creating a new lower low there. So now let's identify the previous lower low, which was this one. As you can see, this is where our lower low was at, and the price came back to the previous lower high, which was this one. So you can see the difference in H4 time frame. You can see now this was our previous higher low. Price have created a new lower low, and price came back to the previous lower high, and the price shifted going down, breaking the previous higher low, creating another new lower low, and came back to pick up the orders at the previous lower high, and then shifted the market going down, taking out the previous higher low, as you can see, creating a new lower low. Then the price just consolidate, going back to the base area, which is this one, and then the price pick up the orders and shifted the market. And now, as you can see, the price even took this previous higher low here, guys. We had a pin engulf there. As you can see, if we zoom in, you can see there was a pin engulf. Yeah, you can see here, guys. That's where the pin engulf was at. As you can see, yeah. As you can see, this pin engulf, meaning the price was giving you a signal that the price is still selling, but the price had to go up. Why? Because they had to go and pick the orders at the previous low high. And as you can see, the price shifted from that zone going down, and now they finally taken out the last or the first higher low, which was issued in H4 time frame, which is this one. And then the price created a new lower low. But while they were creating a new lower low, you can see the price have created a lower high, which is this one. And the price never took out that lower high, but the price was compression, giving new compression, going back to that lower high. As you can see, let us show you. As you can see, and we had a nice bearish engulfing candlestick there, meaning at this zone, that's where you were looking for orders, but the price was creating higher low. As you can see, this was a lower low and a new higher low. The price have created a new higher low here, but this higher low was being taken out, where the price have failed to give you a new high there, but they have given you a new lower high. And then the price had come back to that same zone area to pick up the orders and shift the market going down. And you can see this was the engulf there. That's why the price have shifted with the faster move. Why? Because they have reached the order block zone area, you can see there. And then the price shifted going down, and the last lower low which was issued was this one, as you can see. And the price just shooted going down, and you can also see this higher low was being taken out, but the price didn't get the chance to go up. But now the price have came back to that same zone area where we can find our unfilled order block. That there was imbalance there, so the price had to come back with compression. As you can see, the price was creating higher lows. As you can see, this was higher low here. Why? Because the price have created rally, base, rally, base, rally, reaching the order block zone area. Once the price reached that zone, they'll shift the market, and you can see the price even took out the previous lower low. So now let's go to H1 and see how are we going to take this trade. And you know that we do not trade compression. For me, for this week, I was not gonna trade. I was gonna wait for this one. When the market break the previous higher low, as you can see here, guys, the price have created a previous have broken the previous higher low, creating a new lower low, and then the price went down. So if you go back to 15 minutes, you are going to look for the last best drop, and as you can see, guys, here this base area was responsible for taking out the structure of the market. So that's where the market just came to test, and you can see they've created a new lower high, and this was the base area, meaning that's where we were looking for the market to come. But in this case, the market didn't reach that zone, but they have given you what you were looking for. The market just continued going down. And now if you go back to H1 time frame, you can see the price have created a new lower high. But if we go to this zone area, as you can see, this is where our new lower high was created here. So we're expecting the price to come back there, but the price didn't come. Why? Because the price can't come back there if they can find like 10 million. They can't come back for 2 million back. They will just keep the market going down. So you can't always expect the market to come. But as you can see, price have taken out this zone. But here we had a doji, meaning there was a best drop. So meaning here there was an order block zone area, and you can see the price even created a new lower high there. Now let's go and check it out. Okay, you can see where the best drop, and this was the base area here. That's where the previous lower high was issued, and you can see the price just came and picked up the orders and shifted the market going down. And also you can see the price even came back again to this order block. Why? Because that's where our lower high is at, because this best drop was the first best drop which was issued after breaking the low of the market here. As you can see, this was the lower low of the market. So the price had to come back there, and you can see they've created a new lower low. Also they've taken out that lower low, as you can see here, guys. Here, as you can see, so the price had to come back to this order block zone area, and you can see how the price was trapping there, just pick up the orders and shifted the market going down. You can see they even came back again after giving you this engulf. This was a clean one, so they had to come because the lower high was there. That's where the lower high was at, and as you can see, the price just came back there, took the orders and shifted the market going down. Now you can also see this one, guys. Let me just put another one. You can see this was our new lower low which was issued here, and then you can see now the price started with compression going up, meaning they were going up to this previous order block zone area. But this order block zone area was taken out. So when the market have taken out the previous low high, we are now expecting for the buy. So we are no longer looking for sell, and you can see that's where the low high was at. So the next order block which you are looking for is this one, because that's where the last base rally was issued. So that's where you expect the price to come and pick up the orders and shift the market going up. Why? Because the market have been the low high was being taken out. But to have a clear one, you must have to wait for this one to be taken out. This one. You must wait for this one to be taken out. If they take out this one, they'll come back to the order block and shift the market going up. So guys, I hope you understand something, and I hope you guys will share this video with your family and friends. And also, please don't forget to join our Telegram group for free signals and free setups. And have a blessed day. Thank you.